So I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow palette. I've never used this before, and I've had it since it literally first came out, and I still haven't touched it. So I thought, let's make a video on it of me reviewing and like giving my first impression, because I wasn't gonna do like a first impressions, I was gonna do a tutorial. But I feel like if you guys want to know if you should buy it or not, then just watch this. I love how all of their palettes are literally like fuzzy, not fuzzy. You know what I'm talking about, but it's so cute. I love it. The colors are like way out of my comfort zone. I only do like neutral, plain colors. So the fact that like I'm literally diving into like a pink and purple palette is going to be really intense for me. And no, I have no clue what I'm going to do today with my eyes. So if you guys want to keep on watching and see what comes out of it and know my impressions on it, and maybe you'll buy it yourself, then keep on watching. So to start off, I'm going to go in with the color Base, which is what I'm using it for. So I'm going to just take this like fluffy brush and I'm just going to put it, oh my god. Whoa! Look at all of that just came out. You probably can't tell, but there's so much on my brush. Well, they're pigmented, that's good. I forgot eyelid primer. I'm so stupid. I'm going to put it right on top of that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Base, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid. Okay, great. The second color I'm going to use is this one. It's called Incense. It's like a little darker than the base color. I think it's just like a transition shade. And I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush to just go all in my crease. I'm going to go into like the more really intense colors, which I'm kind of scared for because I've literally never done this before. So I'm going to go in with this like black eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to use, I think I'm going to go in with the color Love Blend. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nice. I'm actually shook. Like, I'm not good at doing makeup at all, and if this turns out really well, I'm probably going to cry. Literally, I waited so long to get my hands on this palette, and then when it first came out, I stood in line for like an hour and a half. The only thing I hate about eyeshadow in general, for me, I don't know if it's just the way I do my eyeshadow, but it always ends up looking really patchy until like more colors get involved. I do really like this color. This is really pretty. I like this palette a lot just because like it's really out of like their comfort zone. Usually they go for like more natural colors that you can like use on the daily, which I mean you can use this on the daily too, but I'm not like a big dramatic color type of person, so I probably wouldn't use this all the time, but it is really, really nice. So I'm going to take this little fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with Soul, the bright purple color here. I'm just going to go literally like in my crease right underneath where that pink is, just because I don't want them to really mix together. I do want them to be together, but I don't want them to mix together. You feel me? And I'm also kind of like dragging it down to my lid, only because I am going to be like kind of cut creasing it, so it doesn't really matter if it goes everywhere. I mean, I don't really know how to do a cut crease, so we're gonna kind of like go in with this flat brush and just kind of bring it down. So I'm gonna bring her down a little. There we go. That's looking a little nicer. Now I'm gonna take this purple again. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray and just kind of pack it onto my lid. Yes, girl. Okay, so now that the purple's literally like packed onto my eye, I'm going to take this flat like brush from the Naked 2 palette that I literally have never used, I don't think. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go in with some concealer. See, like, it's not going to be a cut crease, it's going to be more like a half cut crease. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to take this brush and kind of blend out where the concealer is, just so there isn't any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this kind of flat brush and I'm just going to spray it like a lot to get it really wet, and then I'm going to go in with Wild Child, which is this like pink sparkly color, and I'm literally just going to pack that on top of where we just put the concealer. Let's see. Oh my god. And we're just going to keep packing. Now I'm going to do the same to the other eye. This palette, like the glitter, is so good. Like, it's so pigmented, and honestly, like, if you're like me and you don't know if you're into like bright colors and stuff, I think this is a really good place to start. Like, don't get like a huge palette that has like green and blue and all that stuff, because like you're gonna be tempted, and you know, you might suck at makeup like I do, so you don't really want to push yourself like that. But I mean, do you boo boo. I'm just going to bring some more purple just over top. And blend. The only thing I would say is that the color Soul, the purpley color, is a little too blue for my liking. Like, I think it's obviously supposed to be like a purpley blue, but to me I feel like it should be more purple, just so it kind of goes more with the looks. Now I'm just going to take my concealer and hope that I do this okay. I'm just going to go under my eyes and try to clean up anything I may have screwed up on. Where my sponge at? I'm just going to go slightly up here. Look at her. This doesn't even look that bad. I thought it did, and I was kind of freaking out. I was like, you know how embarrassing it would be if I just like did a tutorial and it like was awful. But it's not too bad so far. So I'm going to take a little bit, tiny teeny weensy bit, with this flat brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the purple and just drag it down. Okay, so now I'm going to just curl my lashes, but I'm going to use my Voluminous Primer, lash primer. I'm not going to do lashes today just because I feel like that would be the main focus and the look wouldn't be. And I'm trying to refrain from putting on lashes because I will be here for literally like an hour. I'm going to take this Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I got this in my Ipsy bag. And I'm just going to put some mascara on. I am doing pretty good. I've always put mascara on my bottom lashes, and like all the people that I know who wear makeup literally never do. And I don't know if like, to me it just like looks weird if you don't, and to them it looks weird if I do. So it's kind of like, what is normal? Is it normal to put mascara on your bottom lashes, or is it like not a thing? Sponsor me. Now I'm just gonna go in with some powder, some loose powder, and I'm just gonna kind of apply where needed, you know. I'm just going to break out my contour palette and just contour my cheeks just a little bit, just to add some color, because I'm looking quite pasty. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of that, I think, and a little bit of that, I think. I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush and just put some highlighter in the corners of my eyes to really add that sparkle, a little bit under my brow bone, just to kind of lighten up the situation. Now I'm going to wipe this stuff off. We don't need her. We don't need her anymore. A little bit of highlighter here, a little bit of highlighter there, a little bit of highlighter everywhere. Okay, so I finished the tutorial. Honestly, this palette is amazing. Like 9 out of 10. I do like it. I just feel like the only thing I have an issue with is that I wish the colors matched up to the glitters perfectly, so you could do like that perfect look. Like as an example, like this is called Celestial and it's a darker color than Soul, which I guess is a good thing so you have variety, but I feel like if you're trying to make looks, you don't want like two absolute different shades of one color, if that makes sense. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. Same with like Love and Wild Child, they're pretty similar, and I feel like that's why the look turned out better than I thought. And maybe that's just like me being really specific with what I'm having an issue with, but that's it. Like honestly, the colors are so like versatile. You can make a lot of different like natural and out there looks. I feel like this is a good starting palette for people like me who don't enjoy fancy looks until like you get used to it, and I do like this. The colors are super pigmented and easy to blend, which is good because I'm not good at that stuff. I'm really not, but it's genuinely really good. I think it's worth all the hype. Like, I love it. So yes, I do like it. I do recommend it, and y'all should go get one if you're into it. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little better because I feel like what I'm doing really didn't give it any justice. Well, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my first impressions on this palette. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give this a big thumbs up. Comment suggestions and feedback in the comments down below. And please subscribe for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye!